Hello naturals, welcome back to another hair growth video. In today's video we're going to be making onions and clove oil to grow hair fast, treat alopecia, baldness and stop hair breakage. You're definitely going to see the results in days if you are consistent. Over here, I am using the purple onions that is very common in my country. You can use any onions you have. Onions is a proven remedy to boost hair growth and prevent hair fall and split end. Onions is a widely used Ayurveda solution to ensure healthy and thicker hair. All you need is a continuous dedication to apply this treatment and you're definitely going to see great results in days. And over here, I am adding my cloves. You already know what it is with me and cloves. Cloves is really beneficial. It is very essential for healthy hair growth. So I am going in with 2 cups of olive oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use grapeseed oil, any oil that works best for your hair. Go ahead and transfer the blended mixture into a pot. I am using my electric pot over here. You can use any pot of your choice. And this is what it looks like after blending the 2 ingredients together. At this point, I noticed that the consistency was too thick. So I went in with another cup of oil, and this is still the coconut oil I used earlier. So I am going to be heating this up in the lowest heat for 30 minutes, and I'm going to make sure I keep on stirring it to avoid burning my mixture because you don't want to end up with a burnt oil. After setting it aside to cool down for 1 hour, I'm going to strain my mixture to get my hair growth oil. So guys, now that the oil is ready, let me go ahead and show you guys how I apply this hair growth oil to my scalp to promote blood circulation and also promote healthy and longer hair. Don't forget to like this video guys. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I'm currently in a protective style, so I'm just going to go in with the oil. I'm going to massage my scalp to promote healthy hair growth. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you have been watching without subscribing. Your subscription means a lot to me. Help us to get to 10,000 subscribers, and that will really make me very happy. So guys, this is just me trying to make sure I circulate the oil all over my scalp, and I'll go ahead and massage my scalp. Massaging your scalp with this oil is going to improve blood circulation to the follicles and promote healthy hair growth. This oil is packed with lots of nutrients to promote healthy hair growth. So guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.